UPSC is often referred to as Unpredictable Service Commission, of course in a joking way. But if you look at past few years paper of UPSC, especially prelims, you would realize that this is true to a certain extent. If you look at 2022 prelims paper, UPSC eliminated the elimination option itself by introducing only one pair, only two pair. You could see that. So UPSC tends to do that not only with the topics but also with the options. However, when we go deep, we realize that there is a trend which can be deciphered. Not everything under the sun is required for prelims. There are definitely certain most important topics which can help you clear prelims easily. So to decode this, we are inviting Santosh Sir. Santosh Sir is an assistant commissioner of GST in Bihar. He has given prelims 6 times and scored 120 plus marks every time. Santosh Sir will come to Civilsdaily head office and conduct a seminar. This seminar will go online also, and he will tell you 50 most important topics or themes which you can prepare in order to clear UPSC Prelims 2023. To register for this seminar, fill the form in the description box. We are conducting this seminar on 6th of October at Civilsdaily head office.